Hi, this is Bee from Sorcery Soap. Today we're going to use push molds to get the exact embellishments you want for the top of your cold process soap. This is soap dough that I'm using from Sorcery Soap. I do provide it, and there's links in the description below. Also links in the description for the silicone molds. I've gone through quite a few silicone molds, and these I got from Whisper Fairy on Etsy, and they ship very quickly. They're very nice. They never crack. I've used them for years, and I'm very, very pleased with them. So we take the soap dough, and after dusting the top with just a little bit of cornstarch, we push it into the top of the mold. And I'm going to show you how to do this so that, see where I'm cleaning up right here? We don't want to have to clean anything up too much because that's more time and it's an opportunity to damage you have to wait till it's cured a little bit and it's an opportunity to damage the embellishment. So we push it in and get all the little fine details that you want from it. And then I roll the back of it. These that I'm using today are called sugar shapers, and there's a link in the description below for these little rubber tipped sugar shapers. They're one of my go-to tools. I really like them, as well as this dull blade that I have here, which is from Wilton, and there's a link in the description below for that too. This is Innovative Sugar Works, but they're called sugar shapers, these tools, and they're so helpful, and they're one of my favorite tools. They're a little bendy on the end, and they give. So I'm cleaning up the backs of it right now, and even though no one's going to see the backs of them, it's important to pull it away from the side just a bit, the soap dough away from the side, and then you won't have to clean it up, and it'll bring all the soap to the back of it, sort of tucking it in. So it takes a little bit of time, but it's super worth it to just take the time you need to make this right the very first time. And keep cleaning it up and keep working the back of it until you get it the way you want. And you can always reuse this soap dough. So if you sort of mess up on the corners, it's perfectly fine. Just mash it back up together and stick it back in. These are ones I've dusted with a little gold mica and a little copper mica, just to highlight the details in it. The mica will wash off the very first time you use it. However, it really looks nice when it's presented that way. So then the other thing that to be aware of is that once soap dough is broken apart or mashed together, there's a little crystalline structure that needs to be worked back together so that you don't get seams in it. So that's what I'm doing here, is pushing it all together and trying to make it one unified piece so that when I pull it out, there isn't any creases or obvious defects in it. So you can see it didn't take me that much time to make these. And if you're interested in this and you don't want to make the soap dough yourself, you're welcome to come over to my website and pick up some soap dough for yourself that I've made and perfected the recipe so that when you get it, you can just sit down and do this. And it's fun and interesting to add a little bit of curiosity to your soaps. So thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you in your soap journey. And if you're interested, there's a Facebook group called Sorcery Creations where a lot of people that are interested in this type of soap embellishment get together and share their images and their ideas about soap. And there are books on my website that I've written about Sorcery Soap Dough and how to stay inspired. So have a great day, and thanks again. Bye.